Good morning, 8th grade. I hope everyone is doing good. Isn't it so nice? If you haven't been outside, go step outside. It's finally really nice outside. One thing about being up here, I don't think there is any, but there are a lot of deer. Tuesday, there was a deer right there peeking in the window. Let's go see what's here. A lot of times they're just out in the morning or later in the afternoon, but then there's also a ton of bunnies hang out right over here. So as you can see, I got a jungle going here. All of this stuff was supposed to go in a garden that we were going to plant out over there, but so we don't really know what we're doing yet. So got some other stuff in here, some different plants that are kind of taken over. Wishing they would go outside, but anyways, go back to our experiment here. Noticed yesterday that this dirty molded, so I'm not keeping track of that anymore. So, technically I could put, mold. All right, so let's go ahead and check our clean. So I'm going to zoom in on clean, which surprised me for this kind of being homemade bread that this hasn't molded yet. It's usually homemade stuff molds pretty fast, but at the same time, up here at the center, the air is a little bit drier, so it's not as humid in this room. So humidity does play a factor because it's not as humid in the room. Also, well, because it does get a lot of sunlight once the sun gets to here, so it does warm up, so it doesn't stay cool either. So, but anyways, we technically don't even need to keep track of that side. So day 9, I'm up here because I ran out of room down there. So day 9, all right. So we're not going to do anything. A lot of you are sending me your graphs. It looks like this. But I thought I would share. The nice thing about this video, guys, it is just for you to sit and listen. And so that you don't actually have any work with this one. But if you don't have this done, nice thing is I have a couple students. I'm going to share one with you. I'm sorry, Madison, but I'm going to share your photos. Madison had also did the experiment. So did Jacob. Jacob emailed me last night saying that his bread hasn't molded, and so he's creating a chart off his. So, for example, I told him, if you are doing the experiment, remember, you weren't required if you wanted to go ahead. So, if yours hasn't molded yet and you're doing the experiment, just send me your chart of how it's going to look like and leave this part off. So, Jacob is going to send me what his graph is going to look like minus this because he has no mold yet. So, other than that, I'm going to show you here. So Madison sent me photos. She kept me updated on her. So this is day 1 for her, and her family did it. I'm going to try to scroll through here. Did that go? Okay. So I believe like this is either day 3. Madison can correct me. As you can see, she's using buns with hers, and they look homemade buns too. The assignment's quite similar with what we did. So, so there was her. Okay. So I think this is day 6 for her, and this is her dirty. So you can see, and she molded. If I'm correct, there's mold here. Looks like there's mold here. There's mold right there and right there. So on day 6 for her dirty went ahead and molded. So that, if she's doing her chart, she would do day 6. Now, it just depends. They might have, why did theirs mold faster? They might have more humidity in their house. You don't know. But, at the same time, their buns could have been made differently. So, got the soft, moist buns And then you got, this bread, the bread that we used was more dry. So it's going to probably take a little bit longer. And next one. So this is day 8. Well, this is her yesterday's photos she sent me. I believe this is the dirty. As you can see on day 8, her clean molded. So what she's going to do, if I'm correct, she can just do a chart with her data similar to mine. So those are hers. So again, I'm going to be honest, you guys, I'm kind of hoping that this molds tomorrow so that we can be done with this experiment. But anyways, I just thought that I'd share with you, Jacob. So Jacob, if you have any photos, go ahead and share them with us so that we can see. But I might somehow try to link this PowerPoint in Canvas or just on the email so that you can see. There's no words to it, but anyways, I hope everyone's having a good Thursday. Remember, your chart is due today, your graph is due today. Again, remember, if you are doing this yourself and your bread or whatever you use has not molded, just eliminate this portion right here and then send me the rest. So it doesn't have to be pretty. Some people are doing it right in Pages. Some of you are sending it through email. That's fine. That's great. That would be perfect. But anyways, I hope everyone has a good Thursday. One more thing before I leave you for today. Again, no homework today. This is just a sit and listen. But I will be putting in grades on Friday. So if this assignment is due today, I'm not going to put it in the grade book till tomorrow. So don't get worried if you don't see anything put in. So I'm going to do grades on Friday of this week. All right, everyone have a great Thursday.